Alright guys, so we're back at this spot. We've been to this spot before, me and NASA Link, so we're back here this morning to check it out. The water looks pretty good, so we're gonna jump in this morning. Hopefully we can find something nice, you understand me? I say so we're gonna get change off, suit up and everything, and then we head on down to the water. Alright, so guys, this is how it looks today. Yeah, you can see we have a little sunshine coming in today. So yeah, the rain seems like it's gonna give you a break here now. Hopefully it give you a good break so the water can get really nice and clean. So we can actually get to roll some more clips for you guys and put out some more videos. Alright, so guys, we're gonna get suit up right now and then we're gonna hit the water. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we made it across the sharp rocks and we're now in the water, so let's see what we can find. Now guys, that's an eagle ray right there, searching the ocean floor for food. guys, on this dive there was a school of Dr. Fish right here. I wanted to get the big one, but I actually took the shot and missed. Now right here I saw a couple grunts and I was trying to choose the biggest one and spooked all of them. Now right here I'm waiting patiently down there to see that big fish, that one big fish just swim over, but I'm not seeing that happening. Now there's another school of grunt right here. Here I decided on taking a few of these for a pot of soup that we will be cooking on Wednesday. So I'm going to take this one. I saw this jack swimming by. I took it as well. Now here's a nice little starfish relaxing on the ocean floor. Now those are some jacks out there swimming around having a jolly good time. And that's me, guys, chilling out down there on the ocean floor, watching my starfish. And now it's time to go. Now guys, right here you can see a sea urchin. This is a black one. This one will hurt you if you try to touch it, so please do not touch that sea urchin if you see it around. Once you see it have long spikes, or long spines I should say, please do not touch it. Even though this one has white on it, it is the same thing, so do not touch that one. Now this one is another species of the sea urchin. This is a white sea urchin, not as dangerous as the black one. Alright, but we still advise that you do not touch it just the same. So guys, right here I decided on taking another one for the soup. Now while I was passing this rock, I noticed there was a puffer fish under this rock. In Jamaica we call them soursop fish. So I think I'm going to do a soursop fish catch and cook one of these days, alright? So stay tuned for that. Now guys, this is a flounder. This fish got both eyes on the same side. Now watch it swim away. Look at the colors on it. It's beautiful, right? Yeah, that's a flounder. Now as I was about to exit, I saw this turtle swimming over into the deep. Try get over them sharp rocks, you know, guys. Yeah, know. Right now, believe me, I'm about to take off my fin. Yeah, finally. Finally. Yeah, guys, so out of the water now. Rougher come in a while ago. Like the entrance and the exit was so 100, but we actually make it in and make it out back safe and sound, alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so this is what we catch today. Catch one lionfish and one small jack. Now the doctor fish, them 3 doctor fish there, and that one wenchman there. Wednesday I come on my friend's birthday, so we are gonna make some soup, some fish tea. So the doctor fish and the wenchman are the ideal fish them for going at the fish tea. So them there for Wednesday. As well as we might go see tomorrow and Tuesday as well. See if we can get some more fish and thing. Yeah, but this is what I caught today, guys. Didn't find anything much out there. Yeah. Alright guys, once again I want to say thank you for watching Yard Style Fishing Adventure. Hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, now stay tuned for the next video, which will be on Thursday or Friday. We will be doing a cook-up on Wednesday for my friend's birthday, so you will get to see all of that. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the next one. And remember to subscribe guys if you haven't subscribed as yet.